What's up, everybody? We're here at the Governor Square Mall. I'm just coming in here to pick up my black Yeezy 350s, my pickup pass at Finishline. Anyways, it's Black Friday, so y'all can see this place is ridiculous. Anyways, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna get these 350s, and as soon as I get them, I'm gonna come back on and when I get to the house, I'm gonna do an unboxing of them and let y'all check them out. All right, I'm back. We just went in there and got these 350s. Y'all can see right here, Yeezy 350s. See, as soon as I get back, as soon as I get home, I'll do an unboxing video. These are already sold on StockX, so I'm not gonna wear them or anything, but I will do an unboxing video when I get home to show everybody what they look like. What's up, everybody? Back. Just got back from the mall. Finishline, to be exact. Getting the Yeezy black non-reflective that I won in the raffle. All right. Anyways, yeah, everything normal with the 350 box, just like every other Yeezy 350 box. Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. Oh, that's my raffle information. Anyways, size 11. Unless you're in the UK, it's size 10.5. Yeezy Boost 350. Here we go. Yeah, it's not too bad. Got the all black, everything's black. The laces, the midsole, the upper. Don't really have a toe box on these. It's more just like the toe. Anyways, I like these. I think they're pretty good. They're not really my favorite, but being that they're all black, they will go with pretty much anything. So anyways, that's them. That's the Yeezy 350 triple black that released on Black Friday. Anyways, so if you hit the notification button below and the like button, subscribe, whatever buttons you can find them to hit, just hit them. Anyways, so that's what we have here today, and stick around because here in a few minutes I'm going to do a review of something that nobody has. Well, some people have them. If you're Michael Jordan, LeBron James, or Eminem, or me. And just stick around. It's a surprise. I'll show y'all. But they're ultra limited and ultra rare, and I'm going to do a full review of them right here on World Famous Reviews. Thank you. Hit the subscribe button below.